Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a closer look at Forex AI tools and in particular a system called FX Scalper X. First, we need to understand what scalping is. Scalping in Forex means making many small trades during a short period of time to capture small price movements. Now let us talk about FX Scalper X. According to its creators, it uses algorithms that read market conditions, technical indicators, and price action patterns. It then decides when to enter and exit trades. It also claims to adjust itself automatically to different market situations. On paper, this sounds powerful, but we have to be realistic. No AI system can predict the market with 100% accuracy. There will always be losing trades. The real test is whether the system generates consistent profit over time after including spread, commissions, and slippage. On Trustpilot, FX Scalper X has hundreds of reviews and an overall score of around 3.5 out of 5. Many reviews are positive. Some traders say the bot works well in range markets and during times of high volatility. Others report that it protects capital and grows accounts slowly when used with conservative settings. But there are also negative reviews. Some people say customer support is unhelpful. Others mention problems with payments or trades that open randomly without respecting stop losses. A few claim the software added too many positions until their account was wiped out. So can FX Scalper X really make money? The answer depends on how it is used. Always begin with a demo account, use strict risk management, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching.